Has this ever happened to you? No need to worry with new Spishwax Car Wax from Spishak. Spishwax is based on a highly scientific principle. Difficult to understand, but easy to apply. See how the water beads? That's Spishwax protecting your car against water damage. Unfortunately, Spishwax won't protect your car against paint, tar, feathers, guano, shampoo, conditioner, wood stain, mahogany wood stain, eggs, scrambled eggs, Easter eggs, Easter rocks, baseball bats, bowling balls, chum, potted plants, Jewish weddings, cat litter, neighborhood kids, chicken and dumplings, Christmas decorations, cinder blocks, sledgehammers, sandwiches. Did we mention baseball bats? Boat anchors. And wrecking balls. So when you think of car wax...
Spishak, Spishwax from Spishak. The Cadillac's a Spish...
What you doing to my car? What
Spishak Spishwax. Remember, it's just wax.